welcome back to another video where today I am playing Flood Escape! Yes. So this is basically Flood Escape 2, but on a different level. Okay, how did I exit? Wait. Okay, there we go. That was weird. I glitched. Yep, I glitched, honey. Sorry. So yeah. Someone else has done this that I know of, Roblox Buddies. That's their YouTube name. You should definitely check their channel out because it is amazing. So yeah, check their channel out. Whoop, whoop. Yeah! I made it! Dude, thank you. Man, I thought that guy sucked. I'm kidding. I don't think anybody sucks. Except that person. I'm a nice person, I know. Thank you for thinking so. It's nice to me. Dude, come on. Dude! Thank you. Anyway. This time, I'm gonna try not to die. There she blows, I think. Come on. Oh, wow. This person made me mess up. No! I don't like myself right now. Run, baby! Okay, easy. Woo! Let's do an easy, baby! This is gonna be fun! I'm gonna crush these people. Oh no. What did I click? I don't think I've ever played this round. Ever. But it looks pretty easy to me. Right, that's why it's called easy. I'm stupid. Come on, glitch, 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 glitch. Okay, I'm bad at saying glitch. Glitch. Come on, people. There's one more person. Dude, come on. You're keeping all of us behind. Thank you. That guy was adorable. Dude. Or lady. Oh, right. I'm smart. Thank you for saying I'm smart. Anyway, so I'm probably gonna beat this level because I'm a pro. This, I don't know what rhymes with pro. I'm just gonna speed up here. Down, down, down. Wait, there's a, nope. Okay. Oh gosh! Find the code, people! Hello? Okay, you find the code. Oh, right, duh. There we go. Bam. 10 wins. I cannot now use my... There we go. I knew that would happen. Totally. Game is ready. Let's do this, folks. Okay. No, seriously, let's do... Okay. Glitch! No, come on. I'm doomed. I need to reset. So, alright, guys, I'm back. In 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's starting. Bomb. What? What? Seriously, how do I get up? Oh! I'm stupid. Just kidding. You guys don't think that, do you? No, seriously, do you? If you do, I'm gonna be angry at you. I will find out where you live. Where you live. I'm kidding, I won't. I'm not that evil. Are you saying I'm evil? Okay, I need to shut my mouth up. I'm getting in a lot of trouble sometimes, you know? I died! Whoa! Sorry, I'm bad at singing, I know. Alright, I'm not gonna skip this time just because I want to watch with you guys how bad this person's gonna do. Or how good he's gonna do. One of those. He has 158 wins. Okay. Dude, he's gonna die. Sorry, I'm just coughing up my spit. He's doomed. He's doomed. Oh, he's not doomed. It's annoying. I wish he was. Oh, it's not. Okay. Dang it. Oh man, it's lagging a little. Man, he's doing pretty good. Good job. He's thinking about it, I'm sure of that. He's doomed. There's no way he's gonna... He died! Ha! Okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna pause it until it's time. Alright, I'm back. And it's done. Alright. Let's try and win. Man, I'm good. Not really. Shut up. If any of you said I was good, I'm gonna hurt you super bad. No, I'm kidding. I would never do such a thing. I'm such a good person. Anyway, wait. I just realized something. I don't want to view people anymore. Glitch through the door! Loser. Oh. Never mind, you're not a loser. Yes, you are. You're gonna die. Okay, I should not jinx myself. Don't jinx myself. Don't jinx myself. Don't jinx myself. Don't jinx myself. La 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 la. She's probably like, dude, you're being weird. Good job, person. Oh. No! Come on. It wouldn't let me speed! I blame it on the speed! I blame it on the speed! I blame it on this. We're playing again. Medium this time, not in easy. Come on. Good job, dude. Oh, yeah, right. We're good. We make a good team. If I do say so myself. Ugh. Dude, just stay on. Go. Press the button. Good job. Good boy. I hope he makes it, because he was really good. He didn't make it. Too bad for him. I need to stop saying that. I really do. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on. No. Yes. Yes! Oh! 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 You know, I... Not... Oh. This... Oh. I died in the bonus round. Who knew? I need to be in the game. Woo! No, no, come on. Just, I'm back. And I might die this round because I've never completed this. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Yeah! Take that to the face! Boom! That feels so... Dang it. Is there like anything I